Hey everyone, how's it going? It's Steph here. We're on our journey to a clean home in 21 days, and the last few days we've been adding a daily focus to our weekly plan to help us stay organized and just stay on top of things and not feel like such a mess anymore. So today is an extra important one for me. It is self-care day. So in the original Flylady Baby Steps, she calls this errands day. And basically the point is to do all your errands on one day. But that really wasn't working for my life, and it was especially not working on a weekday when I have all three of my children with me, no husband. And so it wasn't really working for the daily focus. So instead of errand day, I have substituted in self-care day. And this is something that I started at the beginning of the COVID pandemic when we were all staying home and nobody was running errands anyways. And it has really just stuck with me because I find that we do not take enough time to take care of ourselves. And when you take care of yourself, you are better able to take care of all of the people around you. When I get enough sleep, or I have quiet time, or I have a little bit of rest time, I'm able to be more patient with my kids, more patient with my husband, and most importantly, more patient with myself. So we swapped out errand day for self-care day, and to be honest, I'm not going back. Today I want you to focus on doing something for yourself. It doesn't have to be big. You don't have to go make a huge salon appointment. Maybe you just take a couple minutes to read your book, or you have a bath. Maybe you put in your music and go for a walk, or you do something to make yourself feel better. Maybe you paint your nails or give yourself a pedicure. Something small that's just for you. So today I'm giving you full permission to skip a couple items on the routine list if you don't have the time, and make some time for yourself. It's the most important thing you can do and the biggest thing I've taken out of this system. After I started finally taking care of myself, which is what Flylady stands for, finally loving yourself, all of this house stuff and organization stuff came so much easier. So when people ask me how I stay motivated, my number one answer is always take care of yourself first. If you're pregnant, have a nap. Skip the routines. If you're sick, skip the routines. Take care of yourself so you can take care of everything else and everyone else around you. So that's it for today, self-care day. I hope you really make a point of doing something for yourself and make this a habit that sticks. You're doing great. We are almost at the end of these baby steps, and I'd love to hear what you're doing to take care of yourself. I will talk to you tomorrow. Bye. I really hope you make a point of doing something for yourself today and then checking that off on our 21 days to a clean home journey. It's all about you today. On my weekly schedule, I like to actually cross out the errands day and put in self-care, and then I put down a couple of ideas for myself. So this week I love having a bath, so I'm going to put a bath, and I noticed there's a sale on audiobooks, so I'm going to grab a new audiobook to listen to. Thank you so much for joining me on this 21 days to a clean home journey. I know you're going to see a huge difference in your house and in your life. Please remember to hit that like and subscribe button to follow along to the end of the series, and let me know how you're making out with your progress.